Hey y'all, Lily here. In today's video, I will be comparing sublimation paper. In this video, the sublimation paper I will be comparing is this Inkjet sublimation paper versus this ASUB paper that we see here. Have you tried any of these sublimation papers before? If you have, did you like them? Let me know in the comments down below. If you have any questions along the way, feel free to drop them in the comments down below and I will do my best to assist you. With that being said, let's get started. I will be using my Epson 2720 printer along with Cosmos inks. I will go ahead and leave those links in the comments down below in case you want to pick them up. Alright, so I'm printing out the first design on the printer's jack paper. So if we can see here, the colors look nice, everything looks pretty vibrant. So everything is looking pretty normal. Let's flip it around. So this is what the back of it looks like. This paper did print out easily, didn't give me any hassle, but this paper is thin compared to the ASUB paper. Alright, so here we have the ASUB paper. Everything looks great, vibrant. Alrighty now, so let's go ahead and compare these side by side. Right here on the left side we have the printer's jack sublimation paper. And on the right side we have the ASUB paper. To me they look pretty much identical. What do you think? Let me know in the comments down below. But I feel like they look very similar, if not identical. I can't really tell much of a difference personally. I'm not too sure if you can see a difference in them. I went ahead and printed the same design. That way we can get a very accurate representation of what the ink looks like on both of the papers. Alrighty, so I think they look the same, but let's go ahead and head over to our heat press and press them onto a t-shirt to see how they actually sublimate onto a shirt. Alrighty, for the pressing part, I'm going to go ahead and just speed through this. If you would like to see a detailed video on how I sublimate my shirts, I will go ahead and leave that in the link in the description box below. I will be pressing both of these designs at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 60 seconds. I'm going to go ahead and do the exact same thing for the next shirt. Follow the exact same steps that I normally do. Right, now that we're all done, let's go ahead and look at the butcher paper. So on the left side is the ASUB, and then on the right side is the printer's jack paper. So if we can see here, I think that the colors bled way more on the Inkjet paper than they did on the ASUB paper. What do you think? Alright, so here we have the ASUB paper, the front of the design. So you can see here, compared to the first shot of this design, a lot of the ink did come off. It did transfer onto the t-shirt very nicely. Alrighty, and in this next clip we have the printer's jack paper. To me, they honestly pretty much look identical, like the same amount of color was released. What do you think? Alrighty, and here we have a side-by-side comparison. What do you think? I think pretty much the same amount of ink was released on both of them. Alright, now let's get an up-close video of the ASUB paper. If we can see here, it adhered really nicely. The colors are very bright, they're very vibrant. ASUB paper is always my go-to. Here we have an up close of the printer's jack paper. It's still very nice, still very vibrant. What do you think? Can you see any difference between these two? Alrighty, y'all, to me they pretty much look identical. I can't really see much of a difference. I personally don't notice much of a difference, but let's go ahead and wash these and let's see if they both withhold the washing machine test. Alrighty, and here is what they look like after being washed. I think they look very similar. What do you think? I can honestly say I don't really see much of a difference. Have you used these sublimation papers before? Did you get the same results? Let me know in the comments down below. Alrighty, y'all, I do hope this video was helpful. I do have TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. I would greatly appreciate the support over there. If you have any specific video ideas that you would like for me to make, go ahead and drop them in the comments down below, and I will do my best to make that happen. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great one.